Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So I am back today with another textured piece. This time I am using joint compound that I got from the hardware store. As you can see, it is pink. It is probably meant to go on your wall, but I wanted to see what it would do if I tried to turn it into a abstract art piece. So here we go. All I'm using is a spoon today, and I did at first attempt to kind of add some water to the spoon and found that that wasn't really working. So I'm just going to go ahead and start creating a spiral petal pattern by just squishing this joint compound down on the canvas. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. As you can see, I'm reusing an old piece that I didn't quite care for. And don't worry, this is not going to dry bright pink. This is going to dry white, and I'm going to let this cure once it's all done for about 3-4 days to really make sure it's all completely dried out. So I'm going to keep going here, creating petals just in a large pattern, and then I'm going to move to the next step, which is spray paint. All right, so I moved on to spray paint now. This piece is completely dry, and I have this kind of grayish blue seafoam color that I'm going to spray paint the entire canvas with. I will put links to the exact products I'm using in the description below. Once the spray paint is dry, I also went in with a couple more colors. I added some metallic cobalt and some more copper colored spray paint to create a little more depth in the colors of this piece. Next, I am doing a gold leaf. I actually use two different kinds, a gold leaf and a rose gold leaf. And I have the perfect mixture of adhesive and the brands that I prefer that I've tried some that are really nightmares to work with, so I will put those in the description below for you also. And this is the final piece. So I love how this turned out. It is so different. I love the contrast of the copper with the blue colors and those little pops of gold leaf. Really, really amazing. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. And if you're interested in some of my other textured art, I have a playlist here that I'll leave you with. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I'll see you next time.